Anyone home or is it nap time?
The keeper said this one's particularly inventive with tools, eyes peeled. This dummy doesn't understand what I am saying.
How do you like it? Signed, sealed, and hurled.
Step 1, locate monkey. Step 2, avoid eye contact with any thrown objects. Right between the beady eyes, boom.
A bottle in hand.
I'll swing by the reptile hall. Cool scales, zero chaos. Come on, show me what you've got. Reach.
Oh, he dropped like an unexpected cameo. Is it strong enough to keep that unit? Keep acting tough. The vet needs new patience.
This was not on the itinerary.
Peekaboo. You filthy...
In a flash, he was out like a light.
You messed with tourists. Now meet the tour de force. Serving beatings like swing again, I dare you.
I felt that in.
Prepare to be wasted. Engage target, full auto. Trigger discipline off, let it rip. Shoot to stun, negative. Shoot to kill. Stack up, breach on my mark.
What's this? Let's see that thick skull earn its keep. Maybe I'll wander over to the giraffes next. I bet it is sad in there. Somebody teach them call the dentist ASAP. He's out cold.
No.
Look, it's the limited edition human collectible.
Hope you like hospital food, Banana Breath.
We just unlocked the arson ape. Catch me strike consent. Ever heard of it, monkey?
That looks fun. Crime scene starts at your face. Almost. Whoa, monkey's got a killer hook. Dangle. Put some.
Even the ricochet is embarrassed. Trifling and poo at me. See what flies back. Shooting fast and bullets. Weapons hot, light 'em up. Cut the shadow fire.
Ooh.